And what is up, everybody? It's Jeremy here, and in this video I wanted to give you the latest update to RamTech Unlimited. We have version 2.25 coming at you, a big jump from what we were before, but we are now including all the items from Terran Armada, Free Lanes, Tracker Alliance, and all the key cards from the base game and those updates as well, along with a few other minor updates to help better manage things in this mod. But I also come with a warning: this mod will reset everything RamTech related. And yeah, let me show you what's going to happen. This kiosk, if you have it placed somewhere, it's going to go poof. Anything in the RamTech equipment is going to go poof. Anything in your RamTech portable unlimited storage is going to go poof. Anything that you've built through the RamTech Unlimited tab is going to go bye-bye as well. All right, so I did something, and I wish I didn't do it, but I can't undo it. So that's what's going to happen. So sorry, but I wanted to publish this video now before I release the update so people will know that this is going to happen. So just be aware, grab all the items that you want to keep, put it on your person so that way you can have them. But yes, everybody, just FYI. So let's go through these updates, show what's going on. We have the Terran Armada items. I also changed the container that you put them in now. So instead of something big and bulky, it's this nice small container. So that way you can place it neatly or close, or like you put it somewhere that doesn't have that much space. If you don't have one of the plugins installed or in your load order, it's going to let you know, and it's not going to pull the items from that plugin. And we also have the RamTech AI, the prologue items. So all these are now available. So you got Terran Armada, Trackers Alliance, Shattered Space, at Hell's Gate. So these are all from the free plugins that you can download. Well, I mean, except for, I'm sorry, I shouldn't say free. Some of the free, some of the paid. It's all in there. Free lane specific items is kind of now part of the general pack, so there's not a specific container just for free lanes. So, but you can see that the action figures, snow globes, free lane schematics, and the contraband container are now in its own set of variables or variants. So here you got the action figures, free lanes, contraband container. So one thing that I did add, all right, so I'm going to go to the free lane schematics. I'm going to go in here. Oops, I just took it all. That was weird. I can just grab, okay. Oh, I hit delete. I was like, what did I take that just made it go away? All right, that's what I did. I hit delete on the container. So free lane schematics. So you have that delete this container, which is good. I added that to all the containers that automatically come with items, and there's a reason why. So one, for the free lane schematics, I removed the duplication or the, what's it called, replenishing feature of this container, so that way you can just grab it. You only need these schematics once anyway. But what's important here is that I added this delete this container. So it removes the container, and the reason why is that if you try to remove a fully stacked container through the builder, or if you leave the outpost, or if you switch ships and you have those containers still there, it's going to shift all those items and put it in either your ship storage or on your person, or in your personal inventory. So what I wanted to make sure is that, and this too, I also made sure that these do not replenish right away. If you do want to replenish them, you have a reset contents piece in there. But so the part that I want to make sure that you know is that if you try to remove this item through the builder, right? Remove it from the builder, or delete your outpost, switch ships, whatever it may be, that you don't delete it through the actual like item here. Well, I'm going to demonstrate. So let me demonstrate that for you real quick. If I can click the right buttons. There we go. So if I hit delete, it's going to put all those items on your person. That's what's going to happen. So if you want to remove these guys without doing that, you need to go into the container and hit delete this container. All right. And that will remove the container without putting all those items back on your person. So what I will say is that if you are done getting items out of those containers that already have items in it, if you're done using the builder or the kiosk to build stuff from it, then I'm going to say right away you should just remove the kiosk. So the kiosk has this option here as well. and that will remove the kiosk. So if you ever delete your outpost, if you ever switch ships, it's not going to take all that inventory found in all that storage and put it on you or your ship storage. So that's the main thing I wanted to put out there as well. Other than that, guys, is there anything else I need to share? Let me see. We talked about schematics, and you got the base game key cards, Terran Armada key cards, Trackers Alliance key cards, Shattered Space key cards. All that is there as well. If you want to just grab them all, you can, right? But I also have the option for you to delete the container as well. So if you just want to grab a certain key, you can, and then delete it so it doesn't just dump all the keys on you. So that's it. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. So yeah, once again, I am publishing this update later today. I wanted to get this video out to you now so you understand that this update will make a bunch of RamTech items go poof. And if you have anything inside the RamTech unlimited containers or on the portable storage, put it on your person or put it on somewhere else before you run this update, so that way you have them. Other than that, guys, I want to give a mad shout out to the patrons and supporters. Without you, I just want to be able to do what we're doing. So if you want to become a patron or donate, you can check that out in the description below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as everything does help out. If you'd like to support me even further, check out my brand new YouTube channel called J. Ramos Works Creative. I'm working to build that to 1,000 as well. So once again, thank you so much for everything. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.